You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to enable ChatGPT Search on your iPhone. There is no built-in system-wide ChatGPT Search setting on iPhone. However, you can integrate ChatGPT into your search and browsing in two main ways. First, use the official ChatGPT app from the App Store. After downloading and signing in, you can use its built-in search like chat for queries. For deeper integration, use the Siri shortcut method. Install the Shortcuts app if you don't have it. Then, search for and install a pre-made ChatGPT Siri shortcut from a trusted source online. This will allow you to say, "Hey Siri, ask ChatGPT," followed by your question for search within Safari. You can use the ChatGPT website or install a browser extension like ChatGPT for search engines if using a third-party browser that supports extensions on iPhone, which is limited. The most seamless method is to set ChatGPT as a web app on your home screen. Open Safari, go to chat.openai.com, log in, tap the share icon, and select Add to Home Screen. This creates an app-like icon for quick access. Remember, for true system-wide search replacement, you would need Apple to officially integrate it, which is not currently available. For more simple AI and iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.